Want to create eye-catching pop-ups on your Shopify store without coding? Let me show you how easy it is with POWR Pop-Up. First, go to the Shopify App Store, type in POWR, and click POWR Pop-Up. Then, click Install to easily install it on your Shopify store. No coding needed. Easy and simple. Once installed, you'll land on the POWR Pop-Up dashboard. Click Create to start building your pop-up. Browse various ready-made templates tailored for different needs. Discount offers, announcements, email captures, and even seasonal pop-ups. There's a template for every goal. Now, let's make it yours. After selecting a template, you can add elements like text, images, buttons, and more. Plus, POWR Pop-Up allows you to include other POWR apps like a countdown timer or social media icons to increase engagement. Decide what happens after a customer interacts with your pop-up. You can display a success message, close the pop-up, or redirect to another page for a seamless experience. Take it further by personalizing the design. Adjust button colors, background shapes, borders, and form styles to match your brand perfectly. When everything is ready, you can hit Publish. Choose on what pages you want your pop-up to show up. Then you can click Install to see it live in action or edit further. Make sure your POWR Pop-Up is turned on. Your pop-up is now live on your store. You can easily head back to the Shopify pop-up editor anytime to make customizations and adjust it to fit your needs. And that's it. Start engaging your customers with POWR Pop-Up for free. Check out the link in the description below to get started.